Hi guys, I'm here today with the Beauticianchic. We've got a very, very big day lined up, so I'm gonna get my hair done, I'm gonna get my makeup done, and I'm gonna be popping. Stay tuned and see what happens.
The hair we're using today is from Eva Hair. Yeah, my girl got Eva Hair. Flawless hair, you're gonna see it in a minute. So yes, Eva Hair link is gonna be down below, okay? Yes, so we're gonna get started. Obviously, we're gonna use this cap because it's a frontal wig, yeah. This is a slip.
This one I look like an egg.
I know, right?
You know those movies when they make someone bald.
Oh, yes, that is you know. As you can tell, cutting the excess, there's no longer egg here now. You don't have egg here.
Now I'm a pancake.
Yeah. No more egg.
How long will the wig last?
It can last a week on your head.
A week, yeah.
Then you can take it off and then you don't need to glue it next time.
Okay.
To be honest, you don't actually need to glue it. You just want to make it more popping. Yeah. You can wear it without gluing it. But the only thing, if you want to comb it backwards, then you have to glue it.
Oh, you have to.
Want
Oh,
just
yeah,
open the part in the middle. Because what people do with frontal, they don't wear it as frontal. They part the middle and just comb it like this, so nobody's gonna see the front. Yeah.
Cute.
She's cute. That's cute. That's cute. That was
I feel like cute is American. It's a very American word.
Well,
I feel
my
like,
son uses it a lot.
you know, people in England don't really use cute. Darling.
We're ready. Ready. No, it's still talking. So, we're gonna stick the wig on this beautiful egg head. Okay.
Yeah, big egg.
Oh, please. You are this egg thing though.
You know, I've been watching the video, I've been saying, this one, it's now an egg. This is nice.
What are you feeling like? She's feeling like, okay, that's my outing today. Living your best life. Living your best life. Ooh.
Living my best life.
I like it.
I like it.
Yeah, look.
Have you seen those people, you know, like at the
like the
Oscars? You know, like those people at the
let's
Oscars?
see.
And then they have their hair like slicked
it's
back. It's nice.
But it's straight. I can't see the part. You bend a little bit less. No.
The middle part is hard to do.
I know, right? You are daily. Well, I'll bring the clip jar.
You know what I mean? I'm feeling like Mugabe. Yeah, you're right, actually.
Yeah, but why call it lip sweet?
What would you like us to call it then?
Because she doesn't know.
When the first time you have to say, hello, Auntie, she
Oh.
No,
You're going to FaceTime me.
I'm going to show you guys.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Hey.
She went her all poly. I like it though. And it's popping, look. This place is so good.
Yeah, it's very dry.
Looks like it came from my scalp, you know?
It's very good. Like, you know what?
Leave it.
Leave it. And just use move to move it.
Okay. Gee, when I'm getting married, we don't tell anyone because look what people are.
It is not so much. Beauticianchic.
You can't buy Beauticianchic. Can't buy Fenty. Can't buy. Got to be. You can't buy.
Oh, poverty is a disease. Popping girl. That pocket is very important to see.
It's very, very important. Very.
let's do the brows. Very important. Brows have to pop. This face doesn't need moisturize because it's already glowing.
Hey, gee.
Yeah, but
Oh.
we have to do what we have to do. Go extra. Extra. This is serum. I like it, so it's moisture infusion. The thing is this, I will never get those deals if I don't join agency.
Oh, okay.
Because they will never contact. They don't want to deal with individual. They don't want to do it individual.
Don't deal with an agency.
They want to do it
And they
agency.
probably have a contract already, and
Thank you.
everyone just
Thank
signs
you.
same contract.
Thank you. And they don't want you to have story. They might give you 1 million and you can't
Oh,
say,
yeah.
I didn't do the video. They don't just want that
Yeah.
story. So
It's long. It's long.
come to think of it, company don't have time to be going on internet and checking.
True.
When they can just reach one agency that will just provide them 5 people. The thing is, I don't know how much. Because when they message me, they didn't tell me how much they paid. They just said,
I think you need to
they just
find out.
This day I'm using this puff a lot. I don't know why, but it seems to be working. Yep, girl. So, do it again. The puff thing. Yes. Wow, girl.
Chichi, you didn't tell me WC stands for cemetery. I'm washing my hands. I'm looking. I'm like,
No, WC. Okay, do that end. Do the other end. Darker one. Gonna do the beginning. Hey girl. Hey.
is it me?
You wake up and your brows is
Can you
popping.
imagine?
Just like that. Hey. Okay. Yeah, so we are using black shadow. Black shadow mixed with brown. Just gonna do that. Oh, it's not the first one I wanted to do. The first one I wanted to do is that one that will go like this.
Oh, that one. Oh, yeah.
That one sometimes can be too,
Yeah, it's too much.
it can be too intense.
You know, last year someone prophesied I was going.
Yeah. Down. Yeah. I think it's just high. Can't help it. Yes, maybe that one with a knife mouth. This must point by fire, by force. Point. How do you notice? Do you do that one?
Sometimes.
You not look wider than it is.
I think so.
Seriously. So,
Or it's not what I'm going for. I'm trying to do points.
and you go wider.
Squidward.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Girl, hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
She can shake, Bella. This is why cut piece is not for her.
Ah!
The time you did. Let's see.
She's like, I'm gonna cry.
Needs more, just like that. Yeah, so now, because that one is spoiled, not too up, like up or not. That one is spoiled now, Bella. There's no how I'm not gonna smoke it. No, I have to smoke it.
Let's make it up.
Gigi's gonna tell everyone on YouTube.
Yes.
This client was crying
Yes, I'm
and
gonna say that.
shaking.
I'm
And I said, Gigi was bullying me. So I was crying.
No. Crying face brush. Crying face brush. Yes, guys, we are popping. Okay, so. Let's see. Okay. This girl, today is today. Oh wow, girl. Hey. Maybe we should call this Valentine makeover because
Sometimes they leave the video and upload like Elisa did.
oh hello. Hello. Let's go a little bit messy. So what I was gonna do is do like this, you see? Overdraw it like this.
You can do it.
You know what I mean? Wow, girl, look at you. Look at you.
Oh.
What lace?
Ooh.
What lace? The only thing we need to do is the powder, you see?
Wow.
The powder just need to get there.
It's like I was born like this.
Yes. You are born this way.
That glue if it was still not the same.
Because it's so nice, right?
Yeah.
Let's see the other side. Yeah, so that's it. Okay guys, that's the finished look. Easy waves. My girl is popping. Girl, what do you have to say about this look?
I love it.
She's now going to change and go for an outing. Beautiful hair, guys.
Oh, I
Nice.
love it. Thank you.
Nice, right? Now she's just feeling like on top of the world. Okay. That's it. So link to this hair is in the description box. It's called Eva Hair.